Let us take a few moments with ourselves today to do a short visualization. The name of this short visualization is the golden egg. Let us get ready by sitting comfortably, spine straight and shoulders relaxed, eyes closed, and let go of all effort. If we feel resistance anywhere in the body, whether it is the facial muscles, tightness in the shoulders or neck, or even if the lower back feels sensitive, make sure you're taking support, and if you need a pillow, please use it. Draw it to yourself, and if you feel like, place it under your knees or behind your back, sitting upright. Become aware of yourself. Sit with yourself for the next few moments and simply watch the observer within. Keep this question in mind. Am I aware of myself? As you allow the body to relax, hold this question close. Am I aware of myself? Am I asleep or awake? Visualize your whole body top to toe as clearly as possible. Mentally visualize your whole body and try and see it as if you are standing outside, looking at yourself, looking at the outlines of the body and all that you are. Ask yourself, am I this body? This body that is temporary. Now look to your senses, the 5 senses by which you know this world. Ask yourself, am I these senses, the senses that die with the body? Am I these senses that exist when the body is no longer with me? Now try to become aware of yourself. Looking into the mind by which you understand yourself and the world. Ask yourself, am I the mind, or does the mind also go with the body? Become aware of yourself and look to yourself. Become aware of your aura. Ask yourself, am I this aura whose existence is tied to the body? Looking deeper and deeper, becoming aware of the subtle prana or the energy level in your body, the subtle force that runs through each cell. Ask yourself, am I this prana? Again, look within and become aware of the existence of your consciousness. And by this, you know you are practicing your visualization. Ask yourself, am I this consciousness? Does this consciousness still survive after the body is gone? Look within and become aware of a golden egg in the center of your brain. A golden egg, a very small, very, very small golden egg. And that is the seat of your highest consciousness. A tiny golden egg. That is the seat of supreme consciousness within you at your center. Become aware of this tiny golden egg and say to yourself, beyond the mind, body, senses, beyond karma, the nature and everything that is physical, mental, psychic and unconscious, I am the form of this golden egg. I am that. Stay with that feeling. Stay connected to yourself. Slowly and gradually, as you do, becoming aware of your whole body, developing awareness of your body, sitting still on the floor. Visualize the surroundings and let your mind become completely relaxed. Bringing your awareness to the body, moving your fingers, toes, deepening your breath, allowing it to move all the way into the belly. Taking your time without any rush. Whenever you feel like it, gently bringing your palms together in gratitude. Rubbing your palms and allowing this extra energy to move to any part of the body that you wish to distribute it to today. You can place your palms in your hand. You can place your palms on your heart, face, neck, lower back, or knees, wherever you decide to. Feel the warmth from the palm moving to that part. If you feel like sharing this energy with someone who isn't around you, feel their presence and observe this energy flowing to that person from you. Feel the heat from your palms moving, gradually flowing to that person as you mentally visualize them. And gently bringing your awareness back to this very moment. Slowly and gradually you may open your eyes.